If you need to reopen a closed Cash App account, follow these straightforward steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have your account information handy. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are using the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Access the support section. Tap on your profile icon or the account tab in the app. Scroll down and select the support option to get assistance with your account. Step 3. Select account issues. In the support section, look for options related to account issues. Choose the option that mentions account closure or reopening an account. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Read the provided information carefully. You may be asked to verify your identity or provide details about your closed account. Follow the prompts to proceed. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, wait for a confirmation email or notification from Cash App. They will inform you whether your account can be reopened or if further action is needed. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates from Cash App regarding your account status. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support directly for further assistance.